for the next for the next 3 minutes, huwag ka munang makulit, ha? Kakantay ko ang song doon para sa inyo. Okay. This song is called Soldier's Family. Para sa ating family na kanta, ha?
Ha?
Pakinggan mo lang.
Pictures doon?
Opo, ginawa kita ng kanta. Opo, ginawa kita ng kanta. Huwag ka maingay, ha?
Okay.
Okay. In a small town where the river flows, the soldiers found where the land still grows. A mother's heart is strong and true, guiding her children through and through. Soldiers' family united and strong, facing challenges all along. Love is their guide, they'll persevere wherever we try, I'm near unto here. The daughter a dreamer, the eyes are bright, the son of protector shine light. The father's love and constant grace, supporting them with a wildest dream.
Sama-sama sa'yo.
Bakit?
Wala kasama sa akin.
Hindi, ako kung nandun. Okay lang yan.
Wait.
Though their fathers away, their hearts are one. Their love for each other shines like the sun. They'll carry on with hope and grace. Everything is bad in every space. So this family united and strong.
Wait.
Uh,
Dito ako sa house na tayo. Tapos dating ikaw.
Yun yung... Ganun kasi nga malayo ako, di ba? Tapos dadating ako. Kasi nga, soldier si Dudo.
Kutin.
Oh, wait lang. Tapusin ni Dudo yung kanta. Okay na ba?
Okay na. Okay na yun.
Soldiers ba? Okay na. Sige na. Okay na yun.
Okay na yun.
Appear na. Okay.
Okay na yun.
Ikaw naman. Hindi ko na natapos yung sumunod Dudo sa'yo.
Sunog.
Oo, hindi ko na natapos.
Ako naman.
Ikaw naman.
Tapos kaya ko ito.
Sige.
Tama do.
Hindi natapos yung kanta, guys.
Nadudo. Siti ka doon. Siti ka doon.
Ay, ako naman, manonood sa'yo. Oh, galing! Wow!